From FamilyKit is a 4x4 by 15 by 7-inch backing for anything that imaginable. For your perfumes, colognes, your little items that you need to store away by the bedroom, bathroom, living room, your storeroom, anywhere imaginable. We're going to show you simply how easy it is to hang up, and you'll decide what to put in it. We'll put one in the laundry room and one in our storage room, and we're going to hold a drill, pair of gloves, and so forth. We're unboxing a wire basket 4-pack. Show you how nicely it's packaged, what you get inside the box. You get everything in the kit to hang up, your anchors and screws. They could be placed on a wall, behind a door, anywhere imaginable. They're strong with 1 by 2-inch openings and the areas of interest to hang. We're going to pick a spot to hang ours. Screw down. Level and hang. We have our basket hung so we could put items like our drill we just used. Put our gloves in the area. It's great for organizing. Find a spot where you need to have extra shelving and hang up. And place in your laundry detergents and more. We have a set of screws, and if I had tie wraps, I could put it on the side, tie wrap it on, and have something that could be held for storage in a garage and so forth. Opening up to the back of a door, you could place it on and put your stuff in. Put it in a stairwell, on the wall, inside. Put it in the bathroom, on the door, in a pantry room that you could put your little items in. Store your tools, store anything that you like to put in here. Get things out of the way. The FamilyKit storage rack, dress racks, may be something that you are looking for in your needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.